A bored shepherd boy was watching his sheep on a sunny hilltop, and feeling restless, he decided to play a trick on the villagers below by shouting, "Wolf!" The sound of his laughter echoed through the fields as he watched them rush up the hill in a panic. Encouraged by their frantic response, he played the same trick again, laughing louder as they raced to his aid, only to find it was another false alarm. But when a real wolf appeared vicious and hungry, he cried out for help once more, only to be met with silence. The villagers no longer believed his cries. The wolf wreaked havoc among the flock, and despite his desperate pleas, the boy stood alone as the villagers never came to his aid. In that moment, he learned a hard lesson that liars are not believed even when they finally speak the truth. Sitting among his scattered sheep, the boy felt the weight of his mistakes heavy on his heart, realizing that his pranks had cost him not only the trust of the villagers, but also the safety of his flock. As the sun set on the horizon, he vowed never to deceive anyone again, understanding that honesty is far more valuable than a fleeting moment of amusement.